What if I told you there are websites that can find almost anything about anyone for free? I'm talking about pinpointing someone's location from a single photo, seeing every website they've ever visited, or finding their email in seconds. These tools are shockingly powerful and totally legal. Today I'll show you the top 10 most insane ones, so you can protect your own info and understand just how exposed we all are online. This video is for educational purposes only. We don't promote any illegal activities, so don't misuse any information provided in this video. Let's get started. This is going to blow your mind. Number 10 on our list is Shodan, a search engine unlike any other you've probably used before. Instead of searching for websites or information, Shodan is designed to search for devices. Think of it as Google, but for the physical things connected to the internet: servers, webcams, routers, smart TVs, and even industrial control systems. Shodan constantly scans the entire internet, cataloging anything with an open connection. This includes everyday items like baby monitors and smart fridges, but also more critical infrastructure: traffic lights, water treatment facilities, and even power plant controls. If it's online, Shodan can probably find it. For example, just type in webcam, and you'll instantly see thousands of unsecured cameras from all over the world. Many of these are left exposed by accident, with no password protection at all. Cybersecurity professionals use Shodan as a powerful tool to identify vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. It's a way to spot weak points in networks and fix them before they become a problem. But for the average person, it's a wake-up call about how much of our world is online, and how little of it is truly secure. Shodan's advanced filters let you narrow your search by country, device type, or even by devices still using default passwords. This means you can see which devices are most at risk and where they're located. The lesson here is simple but crucial. Always change your default passwords. Many breaches happen simply because people forget this basic step, leaving their devices wide open to anyone who knows where to look. Shodan exposes the hidden, unprotected layer of the internet that most people never even realize exists. It's a reminder that the digital world is much bigger and more vulnerable than we think. For cybersecurity experts, Shodan is a goldmine of information, but in the wrong hands, it can be a serious risk, making it all the more important to secure your devices. That's why Shodan kicks off our list as number 10, a tool that reveals the unseen side of the internet and reminds us all to stay vigilant. Number 9 on our list is Have I Been Pillioned, a website that's become absolutely essential for anyone who spends time online, whether you're a casual internet user or a seasoned tech professional. In today's digital world, data breaches are happening more often than ever, and it's easy to lose track of where your information might have ended up. Have I Been Pillioned is a must-visit resource that helps you quickly find out if your personal data has been compromised in any major breach. It's trusted by millions and recommended by cybersecurity experts worldwide. All you have to do is enter your email address or phone number, and the site instantly checks its massive database to see if your information has been leaked in any known data breaches. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require you to sign up or share any extra details. Over the years, billions of accounts from popular sites like LinkedIn, Adobe, Dropbox, and many more have been exposed. These breaches often include sensitive details like passwords, email addresses, and sometimes even phone numbers. If your password was leaked in one of these breaches, hackers will often try using it on other sites you use, a technique called credential stuffing. This is why reusing passwords is so risky, and why it's important to know if your credentials have been exposed. The site provides a clear list of which accounts have been compromised, what specific data was exposed, and even which breaches your information appeared in. This transparency helps you take immediate action to secure your accounts. Best of all, Have I Been Pillioned is completely free to use, safe, and doesn't store your search queries. It's your first line of defense against identity theft and online fraud. Use it regularly to see which passwords you need to change right now, and make sure you're not using the same password across multiple sites. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. Most people are genuinely shocked when they discover just how many breaches their information has appeared in. Even if you think you're careful, your data could be out there without you knowing. Don't wait. Take a minute after this video to check your email and phone number on Have I Been Pillioned. It's a simple step that could save you a lot of trouble down the road. Number 8 on our list is the Wayback Machine, often referred to as the internet's time capsule. This incredible tool has been quietly working behind the scenes for decades, preserving the digital footprints of our online world. It's been archiving billions of web pages for decades, allowing you to travel back in time and see what any site looked like in the past. Whether it's a major news site or a personal blog, the Wayback Machine has likely captured it. Deleted tweets, old company policies, vanished blogs, it's all there, waiting to be rediscovered. Imagine finding a blog post you wrote years ago or a tweet that was deleted in haste. Just paste a URL, pick a date, and explore snapshots from years ago. It's like having a digital time machine at your fingertips, offering a glimpse into the past with just a few clicks. Investigators and journalists use it to recover deleted information or track changes over time. It's an essential tool for those who need to verify facts or understand the evolution of a story. It's a powerful tool for accountability and digital history, ensuring that the past is never truly forgotten. By preserving these digital records, the Wayback Machine holds individuals and organizations accountable for their online actions. You can even see what YouTube looked like in 2005 or your old school's website. It's a fascinating way to see how the internet has evolved over the years, from simple HTML pages to the dynamic sites we know today. For OSINT, or open source intelligence, it's invaluable for finding information people thought was gone. Researchers can uncover hidden data and piece together digital puzzles that others might overlook. It's fun to explore, but also a poignant reminder that nothing online ever truly disappears. Every post, every page, every tweet is a part of the digital tapestry that the Wayback Machine weaves. The Wayback Machine is digital memory. Use it wisely. It's a treasure trove of information, a testament to the enduring nature of the internet, and a tool that reminds us to think before we post. Number 7 is hunter.io, a favorite for salespeople and investigators alike. Enter a name and company, and it finds professional email addresses in seconds. It shows common email formats and even gives a confidence score. Journalists, researchers, and job seekers use it to reach people they otherwise couldn't. Hunter scours public data to predict email patterns for entire companies. The free version offers plenty of searches for most users. It's a perfect example of how public info can be pieced together to reveal private details. Simple, fast, and shockingly effective. Number 6 is Social Searcher, a real-time social media monitoring tool. Search any name, brand, or keyword, and it scans multiple networks for public mentions. Instantly see who's talking, what they're saying, and the overall sentiment. Track breaking news, public opinion, or a person's digital footprint as it happens. Filter by network, date, or user for a bird's-eye view of the conversation. For OSINT, it's invaluable for tracking people, events, or trends. Set up alerts for keywords and get notified instantly. It's like having your own social media intelligence agency. You'll be amazed at what people share publicly. Number 5 is Pipple, the deep web people search engine. Start with a name, email, phone, or username, and Pipple builds a detailed profile from public records, social media, and more. It connects scattered data to reveal full names, addresses, relatives, and old accounts. Law enforcement and corporations use it for identity verification and fraud prevention. Even if you use different usernames, Pipple's algorithms can link them all to you. The professional version is paid, but its capabilities are eye-opening. It's a sobering reminder of how connected your digital footprint really is. Pipple is one of the most powerful people search tools out there. Number 4 is Maltego, the ultimate connection mapper. Install the software, enter a name, domain, or email, and it visually maps out all related connections in a dynamic graph. See links between people, companies, servers, and more, like a digital detective board. Investigators use it to uncover hidden relationships and map out complex networks. The free community edition is powerful and automates cross-referencing from multiple sources. Maltego turns scattered data into a clear visual web of connections. It's a must-have for anyone digging deep into digital investigations. Number 3 is Google, but not the way you use it every day. Google Dorking uses advanced search operators to find things never meant to be public. Combine commands like cite or file type to uncover exposed documents, passwords, or even unsecured cameras. Searches like entitle index of passwords.txt can reveal sensitive files left open online. It's not hacking, it's finding what's already public thanks to human error. Entire databases of Google Dorks exist for finding all kinds of info. It's the most accessible and powerful OSINT tool, hiding in plain sight. Google Dorking proves that the biggest risk is often simple mistakes. Number 2 is the OSINT framework, the master key to every tool on this list. It's an interactive encyclopedia of hundreds of OSINT resources organized by category. Need info on an IP address, email, or image? The framework points you to the best tools instantly. It's a roadmap for any digital investigation, saving you hours of searching. New tools are added constantly, so it's always up to date. For anyone serious about OSINT, this is your starting point. The OSINT framework unlocks the full potential of online investigation. Bookmark it. You'll use it again and again. And at number 1, the most unsettling tool, Creepy. Enter a social media username and Creepy scans posts for geotags, location mentions, and image metadata. It plots every location on a map, revealing someone's favorite spots, routines, and even home address. It's a chilling demonstration of how oversharing can compromise your safety. Creepy turns digital breadcrumbs into a stalker's map. No hacking required. It's a powerful warning. Check your privacy settings and think before you post. Creepy is the ultimate reminder that your digital life is never truly private. That's our list. 10 of the most powerful OSINT tools on the internet. Use this knowledge to protect yourself, not invade others' privacy. Stay curious, stay ethical, and always think before you share online. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more deep dives into the wild side of the internet.